Hey, my name's James Nicholson and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you today about what does a virtual assistant do for your business. Well, look, I'm going to assume that if you're watching a video like this, you're probably a business owner of some sort, an entrepreneur, someone looking to start a business, and probably right now you're overwhelmed with the stuff that you've got to do in the business. Maybe you're not getting enough leads, you're not getting enough sales, and you need to find a way to get more time so you can grow your business significantly. So keep watching to the end because I'm going to help you get that result. Now, I'm James Nicholson. I've been in business for 17 years now. All the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur and as a business owner. And along the way, I've discovered something very, very special, which I call my business Accelerator methodology. Now, this will help you get cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from you again and again and again. And so if you want to get an understanding on how that works, the easiest way is to just grab a free copy of my book, Expert Mastery. I'll put a link even to that in the description. Now, virtual assistants, what do they do? First off, what is a virtual assistant? Well, a virtual assistant is someone that works for you remotely. They could be in the UK, America, could be in India, it could be in the Philippines, right? It's someone that doesn't necessarily work in your business, and they're going to have specific skills that they do for you. Now, skill set wise, they could be a bookkeeper, a graphic designer, an admin assistant, they could be a telesales person. There are tons of different roles that you can get a virtual assistant to do. Now, once you've got a virtual assistant, what can you get them to do? Well, there are all sorts of things you can get them to do. I'll give you some examples in my business. So I have web designers that I use on a regular basis, and so they will be building me websites. They'll be doing client work on websites as well. I also have a graphic designer based in the Philippines, and that graphic designer creates graphics on Instagram. They create brochures for me. They're creating a brochure for me right now for my academy. They are also doing the thumbnails on the YouTube channel and any other design work we need. And you'll be surprised when you have a graphic designer, you will have so much design work that you want them to do. And if you don't, then you just won't do the stuff, and then you're not going to get your message out there. Right, so graphic designer, we have a social media manager, Nika, and so she will be watching the videos like this. She will make sure any comment spam below here will be deleted. She will make sure the descriptions are here. Let me know of any important questions I need to answer in here. She'll schedule the posts. She'll schedule social media posts on Twitter, on Instagram, and all of that sort of stuff as well. And so she's really important. In fact, if you've watched the video so far to this length, do comment below. Do say hi, tell me who you are and what your business is, what are you trying to get a virtual assistant to do. Any questions you've got, even if it's just to say hi, do that, and do quickly give me a like on this video as well. What else can you get them to do? Well, you can get bookkeepers, right? And so accountants are important, and you should probably keep that in your local country, like the UK, for example. But you also want to get the books done. And so it's cheaper to get a bookkeeper that knows what they're doing. They know how to use Xero or Sage or whatever platform you've got. You can hire someone in the Philippines for around $2 an hour to do that stuff, right? You can get people to confirm hotels for you. You can get people to manage your customer service, manage comments on your social media. The list is endless. And if you're looking for a real detailed list, what is it that they can do? Well, actually, I've got an ebook that I want to give you. So it's got 51 of the main tasks that a virtual assistant can do for you. But there's hundreds of tasks, but these are the key 51 that I think every business should be using them for. And so I'll put a link to this in the description. And so you can grab a link, grab a download even of that. You just click on the link and download it straight away, and that'll be with you in seconds. But look, virtual assistants, I think are a real game changer for your business. I think you should invest in them. They're very cheap. You can start from $1 an hour. We pay our team between $1 an hour and $4 an hour, depending on the tasks and responsibility and skill set that they've got. But they leverage our time significantly. They're reliable. There's so many things. I mean, if you're really into virtual assistants and wanting to know more, the rabbit hole you want to go down is I've got a playlist on this channel. So go to this channel, make sure you check the virtual assistants playlist, and that will give you all of the knowledge and know-how that you need. Plus, you've got the ebook there. Look, I'm James. I hope you found this useful. If you didn't subscribe earlier, do subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.